Guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So this one have been being talked about on social media a lot. And if you're new to my channel, you would know that if you're new to my channel, you would know that I do these videos a lot. So I talk about these Dear Pastor stories a lot on my channel. It changes up the monotony of my channel, and it gives people some time to chill and laugh, because some of these stories are really hilarious. But this one, quite honestly, is disgusting, and my advice is going to be a little bit different than most people. And it says, Star, it might sound cliche, but never grudge a person for what you see them with, because you don't know the story behind it, and that's facts. I live in an upscale apartment, I drive a nice car, and I don't work. Life wasn't always like this though, because 2 years ago me did broke and used to wait pump people pot for done cook. Anyway, me said a little old man, me meet a little old man, and me never liked the $3,000 him used to give me. It take a while before him invite me I'm yard, and during the first sexual encounter, me realized that him now climax. I saw. Long after him tell me say him have a fetish, and me I wonder if I tie him I got tie me up. So me tell him say okay, Star is a big number 2 him do pa me belly. Me stomach sick, but him give me $10,000 and me go bed and go home. So the man do upon her belly basically. The man took a number 2 on this girl's belly, and that's what his fetish is about. Me normally hear about people peeing pan people, but doo-doo is a whole new level. Me did too shame to tell anyone, and it's like no matter how me bathe, me still feel dirty. Afterwards, me did have enough money, could go a supermarket though. Me vow said me wouldn't do it again, but when the grocery done, I right back on yard, me gone, and the nasty man never give me a dime that round. Me vex till me almost bust. So a week later, when him tell me to go come pick me up, me find an excuse, but him find me yard same way. Him tell me say him have a surprise for me, and me tell him keep it cause me can't manage nothing new. But when him show me me almost pass out. It was the key to a brand new apartment. Shortly after him buy me a car, but Star, people no fit bother watch that cause me have to stomach some things, you know. God almighty. Every time me frown, him threaten to take away what him give me, so me just have to work with his demands. So this man the shit probably pissing pan, you know, and because of apartment in high city community and car, that's what you're doing. $10,000 Jamaican is not even $100 US, and that's how much this girl took from a man for him to shit pan her. Like, it's crazy. Like, don't our women have any morals, any values, anything anymore? Like, it's crazy. That's like literally insane. And that's very true. Don't grudge nobody for what them have, because you don't know what them have to endure and what them have to go through to keep what them have or to get what them have. But my advice to her is this: go look work. That is the first thing. Go find work, save up some money, and get your own apartment, because this man is going to threaten you about everything he do for you and talk about what has done for you on the apartment and the car and all of that, and you don't need anybody to have anything over you or to use against you. Go find work and find your own way, even if it's going to be hard at first. Find your way. And then another thing, to get yourself on your feet, here is what I'm going to tell you to do, because this a man big nasty. You know, little nasty in big nasty. So you're going to get a nice hotel room, You don't want to do it at your apartment. You don't want your place to be noticeable. You don't want everybody realize you that I feel your place. None of that. You want to make sure your nails not done, because you don't want that to be identified. You don't want to make sure your toes not done. You want to make sure your face is not seen. But you're going to get a hidden camera, and you're going to put it in the hotel room where the camera can see the man's face, but the camera can't see your face. And you're going to let him perform all his sexual fetishes and everything, and he's going to think it's just a nice getaway with me woman, and we are the big things, and we're in a hotel room full jolly in ourselves. And every time him threaten you, every time him tell you say, you know, take away your car or take away your apartment, you send him a little piece of that clip that you took from the hidden camera and threaten him, blackmail him basically, because this a man big nasty. In a little nasty, in big nasty. I may understand to that girl yeah licky and that's why she is in the predicament that she's in, but no my dear, wouldn't take that one and just so. Every time I'm threatening you, tell him that you're going to send the video to him workplace, him employers, him employees, if him work for himself, send it to him family members, all of that. And